The internal pressurization option is one of our standout methods for ensuring leak tightness, particularly effective for packaging that's difficult to test using vacuum methods alone.
Could you delve a bit deeper into how it functions and when it proves most advantageous?
Certainly, James. Traditionally, leak testing involves enclosing the package in a vacuum chamber and watching for bubble formation in a liquid medium. Internal pressurization enhances this by injecting compressed air into the package, increasing internal pressure and forcing air out through any leaks, visibly marked by bubbles.
That seems particularly efficient for items that might not respond well to vacuum tests.
Precisely, it's exceptionally useful for products with minimal internal air, like vacuum-packed pharmaceuticals under the ASTM F2096 standard, or food in flexible packaging, like doi packs. This method allows for more precise detection of even minor leaks.
What are the requirements for integrating this technology into our operations?
The system requires compressed air to function effectively. Included in the setup are a needle kit for safely introducing air, sealing septa, also known as patches, that ensure a secure seal around the needle during testing, and a precise pressure regulator for controlling air injection.
I noticed that your technical sheet mentions spare parts and consumables. Could you elaborate on these options?
Absolutely. We supply replacement needles for cases where they might be lost or damaged, and additional patches, as each patch should be used only once per test.
That all sounds comprehensive. However, to be completely sure, could I arrange a demonstration at our facility?
Due to the logistical challenges of transporting our equipment, we suggest sending us samples of your products. We can then conduct a video demonstration at our lab, showcasing exactly how our systems would handle your products.
That sounds like a practical approach. I'll arrange to send over some samples for testing.
Great. We also have video case studies on products similar to yours, which might help you in making your decision. If you provide your email, I'd be happy to share those resources with you.
Absolutely. I'll email you my contact details shortly.
Perfect. Once we receive your samples, we'll prepare for the demonstration. Meanwhile, I'll also send you some additional information on our other options and accessories that might be of interest to you. Don't miss our exclusive video series on leak testing. Upon registering, you'll gain immediate access to a comprehensive PDF guide detailing everything you need to know about our CDV vacuum chambers.